你好，我是 Ellie. Hello, I'm Ellie. Welcome to Day Up. Here, you can learn the most authentic Chinese and make progress every day. Today, we will continue learning how to comfort people in Chinese. 没事儿 没 second tone means no, not. 是 fourth tone means matter or affair. We often pronounce 是 as shìr to lighten the tone. 没事儿 means it's not a big deal or it doesn't matter. It can be used to calm someone down who is overreacting. 没事儿没事儿没事儿 I'm so worried about him with all those girls at the party. He said he would call me yesterday, but he didn't. He probably just forgot. 没事儿，你应该相信他。It's no big deal. You should trust him. 明天我有面试，我很紧张。I have an interview tomorrow. I'm so nervous. 没事儿 It's no big deal. You can do it. I'm going to have dinner with his parents tonight. 我很紧张。I'm so nervous. 没事儿没事儿 It's no big deal. They will like you. And you can use a double 没事儿 to further soften your tone. When you see someone is very sad and you want to say something sweet and tender, 没事儿没事儿 is similar to there in English. I lost my job last week, and now I'm going to lose my apartment. 没事儿没事儿别哭 There, don't cry. You can stay with me. What? I danced on the table last night. Did Alex see that? Yes, and I think he enjoyed it too. OMG. I don't want to live anymore. I really shouldn't have drunk that much yesterday. 没事儿没事儿我觉得很可爱 It's no big deal. I thought it was very cute. Now you know how to comfort your Chinese friends using 没事儿 and 没事儿没事儿 Okay, now it's your turn. Leave me a message and tell me how you would comfort me after my failing driving exam again. And don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。王英，真对不起，我今天很忙。I can't meet you tonight. 没事儿。What does 王英 mean? This is a big problem. It's no big deal. I'm busy also. Please choose the best answer. I failed my interview again. 我很烦。你要相信自己。What would she say? 没事儿没事儿。我很无聊。你很漂亮。Please choose the best answer. Doctor, my poor little dog has never been in a fight before. 他的腿怎么样？没事儿没事儿，他很好。What does the doctor mean? This is not important. No big deal, he's fine. I've tried my best. I'm sorry. Please choose the best answer. Why are you rushing? Li Lan, I just missed the bus. I'm gonna be late for my interview. 没事儿，我的车在那儿，我送你。What does Li Lan mean? No big deal, I can help you. Just forget it. You can get a better job. It's not your fault. You can still make it. Please choose the best answer. 这儿的芝士汉堡很香，我们去吃吧。Emma， 我不能吃啊，我要减肥。没事儿，你不胖。What does Emma mean? Don't eat too much. It's up to you. You look fine. Please choose the best answer.